Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we learn AI as easy as pie. Imagine FLUX AI as a super smart digital assistant that helps artists create amazing art pieces, kind of like having a magical paintbrush that knows exactly what you want to draw. It's like you are at a magical art fair where words come to life as pictures. It's like having a genie that grants your artistic wishes. But instead of rubbing a lamp, you type on a keyboard. For sure, your whole body will tremble, your brain will explode, and you will definitely be blown away if you learn that. The world of FLUX AI is where artists, writers, and innovators can tap into the full potential of their creativity, unshackled by the limitations of time and human capability. The boundaries of productivity and imagination are being rewritten. With its revolutionary potential, FLUX AI is poised to transform industries and change the way we work, think, and create. FLUX AI revolutionizes data analysis and predictive analytics. The FLUX AI image generator is a game changer for creative projects. FLUX AI offers seamless automation and deep learning capabilities. There are those who are overly curious and like to pry, and there are also those who don't seem to bother much. The question is, what can we gain from this? We've all been there, stuck in a rut, frustrated by the limitations of our current tools and workflows. Whether you're a content creator struggling to meet deadlines, a business owner trying to optimize operations, or an entrepreneur fighting to stand out in a crowded market, the struggle is real. Without advanced AI tools, we're forced to rely on manual processes, sacrificing precious time and energy on repetitive tasks. We've settled for mediocre results, telling ourselves that's just the way it is. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you had the power to automate the mundane, amplify your creativity, and supercharge your productivity? The term FLUX AI does not have a widely recognized acronym meaning associated with each letter, nor does it appear to be a coined word with specific definitions for each letter. Instead, flux generally refers to a state of continuous change or flow, which aligns with the dynamic nature of artificial intelligence technologies that adapt and evolve over time. In the realm of AI, flux may symbolize the ongoing development and transformation of AI technologies. The term encapsulates the idea of AI systems that are in a state of flux, constantly learning and adapting based on new data and interactions. Just go ahead and check it out. What's the worst that could happen, right? Don't be a chicken. Imagine being able to generate high-quality content at lightning speed or effortlessly optimize your workflow to maximize efficiency. That's the world we're entering with FLUX AI. But the limitations of traditional workflows run deeper. They stifle our creativity, forcing us to conform to outdated models and templates. They waste our time, bogging us down in tedious tasks and administrative chores. And they limit our potential, confining us to a narrow scope of what's possible. But with FLUX AI, those limitations disappear. FLUX AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner, a collaborator, and a catalyst for innovation. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, FLUX AI streamlines workflows, automates repetitive tasks, and unlocks the full potential of human creativity. Want to generate stunning visuals and captivating content in minutes? FLUX AI has got you covered. Need to analyze vast amounts of data and distill it into actionable insights? FLUX AI is on it. Oh, buckle up. If you don't get this, you could be staring at a pile of gold. And there you are, thinking it's just some fancy copper. This cutting-edge AI tool is designed to make data science, machine learning, and deep learning as easy as pie. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a newbie, FLUX AI has something for everyone. Imagine having a Swiss Army knife for AI solutions. That's FLUX AI for you. From predictive analytics to automation, this tool covers all bases. It's like having a crystal ball that not only predicts the future, but also helps you shape it. If you're wondering how to use Flux AI, think of it as your new best friend in the world of data analysis and AI research. Flux AI is a cutting-edge technology in the digital art world that uses artificial intelligence to assist artists in creating art. Think of it as a super brainy robot that understands art and helps you bring your creative ideas to life. It can create stunning images based on text descriptions you provide. What can we learn from this? Flux AI was developed by a company called Black Forest Labs, a group of tech wizards who wanted to push the boundaries of what computers could do with art. Think of them as modern-day digital alchemists, turning words into visual gold. The exact date of its creation isn't widely publicized, but it emerged as part of the recent wave of AI image generators that have taken the digital art world by storm. History. How did Flux AI come about? Flux AI didn't just pop out of nowhere. It's the result of years of research in AI and machine learning. Here's a quick timeline. 1. Early AI art, about 1960 to 2000. Artists and scientists started experimenting with computers to create art. It was like the early days of video games. Cool but pretty basic. 2. Deep learning boom, about 2010. AI technology took a giant leap with deep learning, which is like teaching computers to think more like humans. This made AI much better at understanding and creating art. 3. Birth of Flux AI, 2010 to 2020. A group of tech-savvy artists and engineers saw the potential of AI in art and decided to create Flux AI. They wanted to make a tool that could help artists push the boundaries of creativity. Isn't it great? But let's not forget that as it is called, it is just artificial intelligence after all. It still relies on the data it is fed. It's like a parrot, only as good as the data it mimics. If the data is inaccurate, the output will also be inaccurate. Artificial intelligence is no match for natural stupidity. Nothing beats good old human ingenuity, common sense, practicality, and most of all, feeling. One of the most exciting aspects of Flux AI is its ability to learn and adapt to your unique needs and preferences. As you work with the platform, its intuition develops, anticipating your requirements and making recommendations to optimize your workflow. The result? A tailored experience that feels like having a supercharged personal assistant by your side. You can learn more about Flux AI the easy way in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our next adventure into the world of AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious and keep learning while having fun. Open up your mind and further enrich your understanding of well-researched knowledge, which is the foundation of true wisdom. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated in your chosen field to ensure success.